Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Sumit Kumar, and in this video, we are going to learn about kinesis. So, if you see this document and if you read it, so kinesis is so what is kinesis? Kinesis is the real-time processing engine that is given by AWS. So, if you see what it is doing is it makes easy to collect, process, and analyze the video and data stream in real time. So you can think this as a Kafka. If you are if you want to relate this, what is it into Kinesis? You can relate this as a Kafka. Kafka is also real-time processing engine, and this is also the same thing. But there are many differences there. We'll learn about this one. So Kinesis providing four things here: Kinesis video streaming, data streaming, yes, Amazon Kinesis data Firehouse, and data analytics, and this one. So out of this five, today we are going to learn about Amazon Kinesis Data Firehouse. So what is Data Firehouse is, if you come here and see the documentation of this. Okay. So this is also the same thing. Amazon Kinesis Data Stream. This is, you have to go to the Kinesis Firehouse because we are going to learn about Amazon Kinesis Firehouse. Okay. This is managed by AWS. Everything is managed by AWS. You just need to create your stream. Once you create the stream, and there will be source and target you have to define, and internally it will take care of everything. So if you see, Amazon Kinesis Firehouse is fully managed service for delivering real-time data streaming data to destinations such as, this is destination Amazon S3, Redshift, Amazon OpenSearch. So this Elasticsearch renamed, now it is renamed by OpenSearch. So this is Elasticsearch only, Splunk, and any custom HTTP. If you are using an API HTTP endpoint, whatever the destination you can give. So, and the source will be our Kinesis. You can define a source. This. Okay. So I will recommend it to go through this documentation and read these things. What is the theory part of this? But we are going to do practical and learn all those things. And anyway, while doing the practical session, we will again come to these points and we learn what and all these things are. So let's open to console, log into console, and do the practice. Okay. So where we have to go? We have to go to Kinesis. And the Kinesis you have to choose Kinesis Data Firehouse. Process and deliver streaming data with data delivery stream. So select this one, Kinesis Data Firehouse, create stream, delivery stream, and here we have to define the source and destination. Source, there are two type of source: Kinesis data stream and direct put. So we are going to use direct put. In the direct put, we are going to use Amazon agent for log analysis purpose. And then for destination, we are going to choose S3. Okay. If you click here, you can see how it works. So this is the inject. So this will be the data producer. In the data producer, there are two parts: direct put and Amazon Kinesis data stream. So direct put, we are going to use this one, Amazon Kinesis agent. This is my source. I mean, this is from using this, we are going to produce the data, and we are not going to transform anything in this video, but I'm going to make other video where we are going to transform the data also. So we can use Lambda for transformation purpose, but this optional, so we will not use this one video. Okay, and then my source will be S3. Okay, so this is my use case is clear. I'm going to use Amazon Kinesis agent, and I'm going to load the data, allow data into Amazon S3. Okay. I have chosen direct put S3, and I'm giving name as Kinesis log S3, and they're giving option to transform and convert record. So anyway, we are not going to do this one, but definitely we are going to do this one in our next video. This is the first video, so I want to make it very simple, and I'm not going to do any transformation and any record format conversion also. So destination setting, so we have to choose the destination. So I'm going to choose some bucket. I have already bucket created here. So let me choose this one. Which one to take use? I'm choosing this one, test delta frog bucket. Okay, test delta frog bucket. You can create one your new bucket and choose, no problem. But anyway, I have created already, so I've chosen this one. And prefix and suffix also you can create, but I want it that is to create default suffix prefix that will be years, month, date, and hour. This will be the default prefix, and I don't want to create any suffix. Okay, prefix, and then this are all optional things where I'm going to leave it. And buffer hints. So what the buffer hint is, Kinesis data firehose buffer incoming record. So whatever the record we are going to insert into the our destination. So Kinesis firehose, it will be buffer it and keep it for some time and for some size. So if I'll define it and then it will send to the destination. That's the meaning of this. If I want to keep it for 5 MB, so it will buffer the size, and once the size will be 5 MB, then it will deliver to destination, or for it will be 5 minutes. If both out of two, if anything will satisfy, then it will deliver. Even if it is 5 MB, it will reach, then the record will be delivered to destination. Otherwise, if it is not 5 MB and then this time interval was met, so it will deliver. So we will keep it 5 MB only, or make it 1 MB, and this will I will keep for minimum 60 seconds. So the Kinesis firehose is not really real time; it is near real time, because there will be 60 seconds of what do you call time gap lag will be there for 60 seconds, because in defined minimum 60 seconds. So it won't be exact real time, so it will be near real time. Okay, so we have, I'm not want to chip it, don't want to do anything. Okay, in the advanced setting, if you see here, CloudWatch is enabled. Okay, and it will create automatically one role. Okay, so if you have any existing role, you can create it, or otherwise create automatically. Okay, so let me create it. So meanwhile, it will take some time. Meanwhile, what I will do, I need one EC2 machine from where we'll generate the log. Okay, so we'll create one EC2 machine. Quickly create, because in my previous video I already explained how to create EC2 machines. Now I want to connect to using PuTTY. So I'm going to create launch instance. I'm choosing this Amazon AMI free version, E2 macro. Next. Okay, that and all will be them. Next tag, security group. I want this 22 port to open, because I want to connect this using PuTTY. Review and launch. Everything's fine. Let it launch it. So I'm going to get new pair. Kinesis key. Okay, so download it. Okay, and then launch instances. Meanwhile, to launch, so what I will do, I will create PPK file from this PEM. We have to go to PuTTY gen and load that PEM file. Kinesis PEM file. Open this I will not give any password and save as private key, and then I want to give name as a Kinesis key only, but this will be PPK file. Where it went? Is there to save it? So it got saved. Let's see with this instance came up on. Okay, so this instance is up. What to do? We'll go to putty. Okay, and putty. What is my IP address? This is my IP address, and then we'll go to auth. This is my PPK. Open it. Should open. Great. EC2 user is my username. We have not configured any password. Okay. So this is done. So first of all, what I have to do is I have to check whether Python is installed or not. Because okay, Python is installed. So automatically is given. So here I will create one Python script that will auto-generate the log. So this is the fake data. I already have created code and it is working fine. So I'll just copy this and paste here. Create one file log gen.py. Okay. So I will little bit explain this one. This is very easy. So what I have done is here I have imported name modules. So that will create the first name and last name, fake first name and last name. Then randomly I need to create create random salary, random age, random locations. For that we need random package. And then I created one company list and location list. Company list and location list. So by default 10,000 line it will create. 10,000 line log will create, and then if you want to pass something from the argument, so that it will take. So I created the random name, random first name, and random last name, random salary, random age, company name, location, all are fake. And then Z, and appended Z list into data list. So Z data is list of list, and I created one column name, this one, and then using pandas data frame, I'm saving this file here in this location. Okay, so same location will create a file. So I believe this I need to import this package names and pandas. So let me clear the screen and we'll go to pip install, because panda will not be installed by default, and names package. So two package I've installed here. Okay, it won't take much time. Okay, it's done. So this is my Python file. Let me run and see whether this is working fine or not. Python 3 log, and I want to create one log file that's having 500 record. Okay, this is generated. If you see here, now I am having this log file. If you want to see how many records is there, just do vi, and we can see shift G. You can see 500 line, 500 records is there. First one is header. So we are able to create the log. So this is my Python code is working fine. Okay. So now whenever the log will created, I want my agent, Kinesis agent, will take this one and deliver to Kinesis Firehose delivery stream. And from the delivery stream, we have configured S3. So this data will go to my S3 bucket. That is my use case. So for that, we need to install this is agent. So you need to run this command to install Kinesis agent. Yes. It also will also not take much time. Wait for some time. So I understand your use case is clear. I'm trying to install agent. Okay, agent is installed. If you want to see where it got installed, so cd etc and then Kinesis. I think AWS Kinesis. And here, if you do ls, you'll get this one, agent D. And in this JSON file, need to configure my Firehose delivery stream. Okay, we'll go to vi. Okay, this is read-only file, so we need to open this into using sudo. So sudo vi I and no, this is endpoint and Firehose. Okay, so flow we have to define. In the flow, we have to define this where is my log path and what is my delivery stream. So let's define this one. So this one I don't need, so I will delete this line. Multiple flow you can define here, so I need only one flow right now. Okay, let's just delete this one. Okay, this is fine. And then what is my location? Okay, location blog. I'm just coming out from here, and this is PWD, and we'll go to home location. Where is my log? Log is here. Log will generate to this location only. Okay, so I need to define this location. So again, I will go to here and we'll do sudo vi and agent. This one I'll copy this because I need to change here file path. I start with log and end with dot log. So this will be my log file pattern. Okay, and then what is my delivery stream? Just now we got created, right? We have created delivery stream. What is the name of delivery stream? We can see it from here. Okay, we'll take this one. We'll place this. So now one more thing. How my EC2 machine will connect to Kinesis Firehose? Means we have given this Kinesis Firehose delivery stream name, but what are the permissions? This is EC2 is one service, and then Kinesis Firehose is other service. So we have combined both service. We have created the IAM role and attach that one. Okay, that we'll do next. Let me say this one. So what to do? We'll go to my EC2 machine and we'll go to action. In the action, we'll go to security. In the security, manage or modify IAM role. Here we need to create one role. That role should have access of Kinesis Firehose. Correct? I already have created a role. I'm given admin access. So I'm choosing this one. Let me know if you have any problem. I will demonstrate this on also. It's easy. You can create the role from IAM and then attach it here. This is very much required because you are trying to access two services. One is EC2, another is the Firehose. So you need to define this. This is fine. So now what to do? We have defined. Now we'll start our Kinesis agent that we installed. To start the agent, this is the command. Okay, starting. Okay, see, keep it on this one using this. So my Kinesis service got started. Everything's done. I have set up all those things, and I will show you my S3 bucket also. What S3 bucket I have set up as a destination. I have set up destination. This one, test S3 bucket. Okay, let me open this one. You can see nothing is there, right? That's good. Things there. So now I will go to my log and I will generate some log here. Python 3 log gen. I'm generating. I want to generate 500 line of log. So it's generated. We'll see whether this one is delivered or not. So there is one. We can see this log, agent log. For that, we can go to this location. Okay. And we'll see log status. So this is log, correct? See what happened here. That is obvious. Okay, so what is the error? First time it won't run anyway. So we can see this error. Starting Taylor for the first file, this okay, it's able to read it, and then illegal state exception, but service has failed. Why service has failed? Access denied. Okay, so access denied with this. So okay, so the log file that we have created, we need to check what is the whether it having access or not. So we'll go to this location. See this one. Okay, so you see this log has got created, and only EC2 user having read write this access. That's what our Kinesis agent that we AWS agent is not able to, because it is root user. So it does not able to read it, and it got failed because of access error. So we'll give full access for testing purpose. We'll go here and then we'll do sudo chmod. Yeah. Chmod 777 r user steps I'll give. So once now if I'll come here and go to this user, now I can see all the green means that everyone can access this log. Okay, so now let's generate one file again. I will generate this generator now. That's good. We'll see log. We'll do tail minus f. What is this? Okay, agent process 601 record processed. Okay, so this is fine now. It is started and it processed. So that's good. Successfully published 5 datum. That we can see this. Still it is running. It will keep running. So now if you come here and see, nothing got created until now. So create one folder here. It will deliver. It will take some time. We have defined 60 seconds. So after 1 minute, it will dump all the file here. We'll keep refreshing it. Enter my file name. Test Delta Frog bucket. Test Delta Frog. Test Delta Frog bucket. Yeah. See. So we have defined buffer, right? So 60 seconds it came here. We'll download this and we'll see what is data. Okay, so we see the data, right? How much data? 600. That's all for this video. So from next video, what I will do, I will process this record using Lambda, and I want to show you some things also. So we have enabled log. So if you go to the CloudWatch, just go to CloudWatch. If you have any problem, you can comment it later. And log group. Log group. This is my log, right? Kinesis log. You see, Kinesis log S3. See, you can see this destination delivery. You can see the log here. Log it will write for some time. Maybe to back up. I'm not sure why this log is not happening here, but you can see the log here. So for some time, it will be updated. That's all for this video. Hope this video will be helpful for you. Please subscribe to my channel and for more video. And please comment it down if you have any problem while doing this hands-on. And please stay tuned for next video, because in next video we are going to learn. We'll attach Lambda to this Firehouse and we'll transform our data. Thank you for watching. Thank you very much.